Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at 2017 Chrysler 300S. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in maximum steel. It looks fantastic. It's kind of like a bluey gray. Looks great. You do have the Chrysler logo up front here, and you also have bifunction halogen style headlights right there. They are very bright. You got your other lights just hanging out down there. Now coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims. They look fantastic. You got those Firehawk wheels. They look great, and those rims are awesome looking, all shiny. Now you do have heated exterior mirrors right here as well, and coming all the way back to the rear of the vehicle, you do have your 300S logo there in your Chrysler as well. You got your backup camera in there, and hidden right here is the button to open it. So you just press it. As long as you got the keys on you, you're good to go. Now lots of room back here. You can put lots of stuff back here. You do have Beats speakers back here as well, 10 of them throughout the vehicle. They sound amazing. And you can lift this guy up as well, and you got your spare tire just underneath there if you do ever need it. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got 2 press to open up the back, and we do have 2 presses to activate our remote start, which is especially nice in the winter. It'll get it nice and warm for you, and you don't have to go outside in the cold, and it's great. Now also proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, put your hand in there, it will unlock for you, and you got the button there if you did want to lock it. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out in here. That silver accenting, a little bit of black here, it looks very nice. And leather for your armrest. You got a handle there, and some storage down there with a water bottle holder, and another speaker right there. You do have control over your electric seats right here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt, and the lumbar support there. They are leather trimmed bucket seats, sport seats. They look fantastic. Got the S right there. They look great, and they're very comfortable. You also have the controls over your lights, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights right there. In-cabin light control there, and the controls over your high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers all right there. Okay, let's start her up here. So the keys are in the cup holder. Put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Sounds great. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. It also says how many kilometers we have, so only 27,000, not very many. The temperature outside and our range with how much gas we have. We can change that around to our vehicle info, our fuel economy. We got our trip info, audio, you have your messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled right here from your steering wheel, as well as your call out, voice recognition, and hang up button. Horn right in the center, and you also have your cruise control options on the other side. You got some paddle shifters here if you want to go into manual mode. Lots of fun to do. And you also, around the back of the steering wheel right here, have a volume up and down button, as well as a source changer. And there's an identical one on the other side for the channel. Now in the center, you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect. You also got a little clock up here, which is very stylish. You have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all hanging out there. You also have your media if you have anything hooked up through aux cord, Bluetooth, or USB. Then you also have your controls of your heated seats and mirror dimmer. You have your apps here. You have your climate control. It is a dual climate system, so you and your passenger can have different levels of heat or cold. Then you also have the menu off there, and then you do have your phone options right there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. And down here we do also have the controls over our volume. We got our mute, hazard light, screen off. You got your sport mode and traction control off. You also have that guy there, that is your browser. Your front and rear defrost, the heat up and down, off, auto, the power, AC, and circulation there. And this guy here is a little bit of extra storage. Plus you do have a plug-in right there to plug in your phone. And then also, right here you do have your gear shift, so you can just turn it just like that. And when you are in reverse, you do have that backup camera, which is ever so useful. A little bit of additional storage right here. And you do have your cup holders here, and this guy does slide closed if you did want to make it out of the way. Then you do have your armrest here, also leather, but it does double as a storage container here. And you can take this guy out if you don't want it, and then there's your aux cord and USB plugins. Put that back, close that up. And then right over here we have our lock-in glove box. Lots of room in there. You do have your owner's manual in there, and it's very nice that it is locking. And then right up top here we do have our universal garage door opener and our light control there with a sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have the controls over your windows. You have the handle here, a little bit of accenting here again, same, very nice. You do have a bit of storage down here, and the seats are leather back here as well. They look fantastic, very comfortable, and you can fold this guy down just like this, and you got an armrest with some storage in the center here for whoever's back here. Got some USB plug-ins so they can plug in their phones. And you can also fold this right down if you do need the additional storage in the back to haul whatever you might need to. And there is our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Chrysler 200S. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.